Yes, sir.
Because of the structure of the MOSFET, there is a capacitance. We call it as node capacitance. Will you have a capacitance at this node due to this B, this C, and this A?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a capacitance here? Okay, one because of this external load. Do you have it from this A, and this D, and this C?
Yes, sir.
Meaning at each and every point you will going to have some node capacitance. The contributors may be different. Contributors from where it comes may be different, but each and every node will you have some capacitance? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these two are 100% same circuit. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now let me consider this condition. B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 1, and A is having a transition from 0 to 1. Consider this condition. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
If B, C, D is equal to 1, does this 1 plus 1 plus 1, will it be like 1?
Mm.
So can I simplify this to y bar is equal to A or y is equal to A bar? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Or does the output is the inversion of input A?
Mm.
If this is
Yes,
0,
sir.
your output should be 1. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whenever if the input A goes high, does the output goes low? Hello.
Yes.
ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗಿದ್ರ ಏನ್ರಪ್ಪ? Is any lag from your side? I don't know what is happening. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir, noise is there, sir. That's why I kept mute.
ಎಲ್ಲೈತಪ್ಪ ನಾಯ್ಸು?
Sir, ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾಯ್ಸು? ನಿನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಾಲ್
ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ
ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
ನೀನು? ಆರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಮನೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೊ when classes are going on, it should be noiseless, no? ಏನ್ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Now, is this y is equal to a bar if I consider b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, uh, is it true in both the cases? Both the
Yes,
circuits?
sir. True.
I think it is true in both the circuit because this implementation is same as this implementation. Only thing is that the location of A is different. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But if we can actually see this, since A is equal to B is equal, B, C, D are 1 and A is going like this. So what I'll do, I'll apply input A signal, something like this. This is A going from 0 to 1 with some rise time. So it is not rising instantaneously. So let it take some time. Correct? If you see
Yes,
the
sir.
output, of the circuit, can you see here? Here output is high here, because as long as it is 0, output is high, because this is y is equal to a bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Once it starts going high, the output will start coming down 0. See now?
Sir.
So you can see when this goes high, this has become 0. So will there be any delay here? Propagation delay?
Yes, sir.
So propagation delay we always consider from 50% of your final value. Final value is 5 volt. So you take it at, suppose that this is 5 volt and 0 volt. At 2.5 input rise and 2.5 output coming down. So this I'll call it as TPD. Shall I write it as high to low?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
it
sir.
is interesting to see both the circuits will have different propagation delay from high to low.
Yes, sir. Because
This
of
will have a
A
different
bar only.
time and this will have a different time.
Yes, sir.
So let us see why it takes different time, because ultimately speaking, when this is 1, this is going 0. In both the cases it will happen the same. In both the cases it will happen the same. But if you actually see this time, so this is, assume that this is for one circuit, for the other circuit it will look like this. See now, it is taking longer time. Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
here? This is
Yes, sir.
TPD again HL. Can you see this is taking longer time? The green one.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, when you see the final output when the input is 1, output is still 0. Both the cases. In both the cases, it is 0 because y is equal to a bar ultimately coming as. Correct?
Sir.
Okay, let us try to understand why in one case it is taking lesser time, why in the other case it is taking more time.
Okay, sir.
See here. in this case, I said that there will be junction capacitance, there will be node capacitance at this point, and at each and every node you're going to have node capacitances. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, since this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, does these node capacitances will have path for charge to discharge? Suppose if it
Yes,
is
sir.
having some charge, since it is on, will it discharge
Sometime.
to ground through this transistor? Will this discharge through this combination of transistor to ground? Will this
Yes, sir.
capacitance will it discharge through this and this?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now assume that when this is 0, and this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, which all internal load capacitances would have discharged before this becomes 1? Does the node capacitance 1 and node capacitance
Already, yes, sir.
C2, does both of them got discharged before this goes
Yes,
high?
sir. Yes, sir.
So when this goes high, which one only has to discharge?
Capacitors.
That is the load
Capacitor.
capacitance, that is the charges that are stored in this CL, only that is need to be discharged, because all these have been already discharged because there was a path which was already existing.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the high to low time is the time taken by only this capacitor to discharge. So come to this case.
Yes, sir.
You take the same condition of 0, 1. So this is again high, this is high, this is high. Even though these are, do you have a capacitance at this point?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a
C2,
capacitance
C1.
at this point?
Sir.
Okay, do you have a capacitance at this point? Because as you had it here, you're going to have the capacitance here also.
Yes, sir.
So even though this is 1, 1, 1, this is 0,
They are
does
not
these capacitors have discharged or are they still having the charge?
still having the charge.
Because there is no path
Completely.
existing for these capacitors to discharge to ground because this is off.
Yes, sir.
So whenever this goes from 0 to high, all the capacitors
Then,
need to discharge now at that point.
yes,
So
sir.
because now the amount of charges to be discharged is too much than the previous case. In the previous
sir.
case, which are the capacitors that need to be discharged here? In this particular case,
Oh,
only
C
this.
load.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Over in this case,
All the C1, C2
all
are
the
every.
capacitors have to discharge because they are waiting for this to become 1. Because there was no path
Yes, sir.
existing.
Yes,
Assume
sir.
that if A is a critical input, because this capacitance, okay, all the capacitances are waiting for this to discharge naturally, because when you have more charges to discharge with the same path, it certainly takes more time. That's why you can see in this green one, it is taking longer time. This is for the
Sir.
case, if I say the case as second one, this is first case. Shall I write this is second one and the yellow one, this as first one?
Yes, sir.
So where is the other color? Shall I say this is the first case and this is for the second case? In the second
Yes,
case,
sir.
because these capacitors have not yet discharged, they are waiting. Of course, they will also start discharging only when this turns on. That will happen when this goes high. So here only this capacitor has to discharge, but here all the capacitors have to discharge. That's why it takes more time. So the moral of the story is, if at all if you have any critical input in your circuit, you keep it close to the output node as it is done here. Now if it is over here, so before this turns on, you have already dissipated all the charges which are there in the intermediate nodes. Now the transition that is supposed to happen from high to low will be quick, because you are supposed to discharge only this capacitor through this path. Correct? So the moral of the story
Yes,
is,
sir.
any critical inputs have to be placed close to the output node. Close to the output node. Am I correct? So let us see in the simulation, okay, is it true or not? So let me just show you that simulation. Okay, let me just open that. Okay, this is a different one. Okay, concept. Let me remove this. Can you see? I think it's the same circuit. This is A, this is B, C, D. Shall I share it? Okay. Is it visible now? Hello.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Who
Yes,
is
sir.
absent
Visible.
today? One is absent. Who is absent? Let me see. Vishwas is there. Jare, Tejas, Gauri, Gagana. Who is absent? Sirish. Sirish is there.
Sir, present, sir.
Nidyapa. Who is absent? Who is absent? I think all of you can note, okay, who is coming, who is there or who is not there. Okay, now it is Prithvish, Tejas, Sirish. Yaar absent?
Mahantesh.
Huh?
Mahantesh, sir.
Okay, fine. Is this fine, circuit?
Yes, sir. Fine.
I have made this A as
Sir,
critical.
recording start ಆಯ್ತಾ sir?
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಆಫ್ ಆಗೋಣಂತ ನೀನು.
Sir, recording start ಆಯ್ತಾ?
It has been started. Okay, why you want to go off? Hello.
Sir, you told to remind.
I told to remind when the class started. We are almost halfway down the class. I already started. Fine. Okay, is this fine now? Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
I have made this high, this high, this high. Okay, all of them are high.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will run it now. Let us find out what is in this case. You can see I have made this input to rise with some rise time and then fall time. Is this fine now? I'll just see the output also. Can you make out? Can you see this is let me change this color to a different one. Kanatanapa? Hello. Can somebody say why there is a bump here?
Yes. Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Can somebody say? Hello. Hello. Why there is a
Sir, maybe due to charges of all the capacitance.
control system concept? Okay, you might have seen that second order system step input. What happens? There is a MP overshoot, correct? Because of RLC component second order system, so you're going to have some overshoot due to sudden changeover. Can you see? Of course, there is a changeover happening here, so that's why this is happening. If this becomes steeper, then this peak is much more. Okay. Okay. What I'll do, I will try to find out the propagation delay. How do I measure the propagation delay? Just have an eye on this. So this should be 2.5. This should also be 2.5. So let me place the input one. Sorry. Okay, this is second one is input. Okay, let me further zoom it. Is it there? Hello.
Yes, sir. It is there.
You can see this is cursor 2. Cursor 2 is 2.05. Let me make the cursor 1 also 2. Can you see this cursor 1 is moving on the output? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I coincide this? Is it fine? How much is the time
Yes, sir.
difference between cursor 1 and cursor 2? Cursor 1, cursor 2 time difference horizontal. Is it 156 microsecond?
150.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
156 nanosecond.
Yes, sir.
This is 156 nanosecond. This is for which case? This is for the case where you have the node closer to the output, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I also have one more circuit where the AA is not closer to. See now this. Where is A? I kept it down. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now, unless this becomes on, the junction capacitance at this point, and this point are waiting for to discharge. They are not yet discharged. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So should the fall time of this should H2L be more in this case or less? Hello.
Should be more, sir.
Should be more. Let us find out. In the earlier case, it was 156 nanosecond. Let us try to simulate and see what will be the time. So I will take out. Okay, let it be there. So this is my output. This is input. Okay, let me make the input. This one, let it be red. And let me make the input as green, as in the previous case. Okay. Shall I move this now? Where it should be?
At middle.
At the middle of the transition or the input voltage. Let me just further zoom it. Perfect 2.5. The other one. Is it almost at 2.5? See how much the time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the time? 191 nanoseconds.
191.1,
Can you see the earlier one was? Earlier one was 190, so 156. See, this is 156. This is 191. Can you see? There's a huge difference between because both of them are giving high. Both of them are having the same logic implementation, but when you're looking at the response time will be better if the critical input is close to the output node. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is a demonstration of where the critical input should be placed. Can you give an example for critical input? assume that there are some interrupts. Heard of high priority interrupts and all those things. So they have to be always placed at the output node so that you can get the response very quickly. Because even though now it is how much the difference? The difference is almost 40 nanosecond, which is a very huge number in VLSI. 40 nanosecond is not less. So it's a huge number in terms of frequency related thing. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you say now? Of course, we talked about low to high transition. Sorry, high to low transition. In the same circuit, will you have different low to high transition? Of course, from high to low, we have two different timings. Why there are two different timings? Why there are two different timings for high to low transition in these two cases?
So due to
Part
critical
decided by
inputs,
our
sir.
signal.
Because in the first case, since ABCDs are already 1, they can able to discharge. In this case, even though it is 1, it is not a discharge because this is over here. This is actually blocking it to discharge. So that's why it takes more time. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, when I'm making this A is equal to 1 to 0. 1 to 0. This is 1 to 0. Will it take different times in both the cases? Okay, let A, B, C be 1. Sorry, B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 1 is there. If A is coming like 1 and then 0, will it take different timings for what is that? Low to high transition, low to high output. Will it take different timings? So this is what time? This is the output high to low. This is output high to low. Am I correct? Hello.
Sir.
ಜೋರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗಿದ್ರ ಏನು I don't know what is the thing. Is the output high to low transition different in both the cases? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we now analyze what is output low to high transition? Any comment on that? Will it be different or will it be same? With this
I
type
think
of
it
Same,
will be
sir.
same, sir.
Why? Why do you say it is same?
So parallel A is parallel to the whole BCD.
A is parallel
So
to
BCD circuits here.
because since we are considering B, C, D is equal to 1, 1, 1, if this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, they're actually off. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In both the
Yes,
cases, it is off. This is the only path available for this output capacity discharge, which is same in both the cases.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? Is the path for your load capacitor to charge is this, and is the path is same here?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So since the paths are same,
Yes,
and the node capacitance is also almost to be very specific, this may take more time. This may take more time. Can anybody say this may take more time if you minutely observe it? This may take more time compared to this.
Capacitor from B and C also contribute to CL.
See here, the load capacitance is this capacitance plus this and this. How many capacitance are there? 1, 2, sorry, how many transistors? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 MOSFET that are contributing to this load capacitance. Here, how many? Here there are 4 transistors.
5.
Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, one more extra transistor capacitance is also get added. If you very carefully observe, this will certainly take more time. Of course, that more time will be very significant. Okay, insignificant, because whatever the capacitance that is offered here. But here, in this case, you can see it is totally different. This is highly significant because here this was not at all discharge. This is not at all discharge. So except that, okay, here the number of transistors contributing to this junction capacitance is 4 and 5. Except that here the timing is almost the same. Shall we observe that once?
Yes,
Let
sir.
us just go back here and then do it for. Is this my transition? Low to high. Let me do the same thing here. Okay, this is low to high transition of my output. Let me take the cursors. This cursor is moving on input, the other cursor is moving on output. I will zoom this. What I have to do? What I have to do?
Place it well. Both.
How much is the time?
165.059
Almost,
seconds.
almost I'm there. Okay, it's almost 150, 165. Okay, 164, 165 nanosecond. Just note this. This is for which combination? Let me just, okay, this is for the combination of, okay, one of them. Let me do it for this. Okay, where is this? Okay, I'll take this cursor, place it at 2.5. I'll take the other cursor and then place it on. It was 165.
Yes, sir. 164.
Okay, this is this. I have to see this. This should be. Two point five. Okay. This is why they are different. Let me just check it out.
14.
In which case it is different. In the second case it is.
Second case is lesser than first case.
Second case is lesser than the first case. If you can see there, maybe the capacitance that I have considered for that individual transistor is also mattering here. You can see it is slightly the second one. Okay, this is 114. 114 is the case of this. 114 is the case of this. So this is 164. So typical, of course, this is actually adding the capacitance of one of the transistors get added here. So that's why it is bit more there. That purely depends on what is the capacitance contributed by each of the transistor. Otherwise, it will be almost the same. So we'll just go back to that simulation and then do this. Okay, what we'll do is we'll just try to understand the two input NAND gate transitions. Where is that? Okay, here. Okay, assume that this is 1 all the time. A is 1. This is A is 1. B is going from 0 to 1. What will happen? Y is equal to 1 initially for this case, correct?
Yes, sir.
Whenever this starts increasing, will it come down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Assume that it has got some time. It has got some time T, P, D, HL. Am I correct?
Sir.
Suppose if you make A equal to 0 to 1,
1.
B is equal to 1.
Yeah.
Okay, does this TPDHL will be more than this case or this one? If this is for this,
TPDHL is
for this, will it be less or more?
more for
No, for this case.
more for
For this case, will it
this
be
case, lesser.
lesser?
Lesser. Lesser.
Assume that this is 2.5. Will it be less here?
Sir.
Is what? T, P, D, what? HL. Why it is lesser in this case?
Because B already discharged. The capacitors in the B already discharged.
Whatever
Waiting
capacitance
for
you have, this has already discharged before they start discharging. So in the earlier case,
sir.
even though this is high, this capacitor is not yet discharged. So only when this becomes on, this is keep on discharging. You can see for your what is the truth table of your NAND gate? A, B, Y bar. So it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is this here? 1, 1, 1, 0. Even though it is 1, am I correct?
Sir.
See, now this is 1, 1. So this can become 1, 1. So this can be 1, something like this, or am I correct?
Yes, sir.
When does this becomes 1 matters here? Whether you are giving the input to A constant or B constant. Suppose if the transition is happening at B, the time taken by this to go low is different from the time taken for the other signal to go 0 is different. How about this? Low to high transition are the same? Low to high
Same.
transition. TPD,
Same, sir.
LH. In which case it is the least?
Same, sir. In both cases.
In all the cases it is same.
Yes,
Assume
sir.
that this is 20, 20, 20, 20. So is this equal to something like this? An inverter having 20, 10.
Yes.
Assume that this is WL of this is 10, this is 20 to make TR is equal to TP. To have same type of TR TP, can it be 20, 20, 20, 20?
Sir.
Is that correct? Sirish?
Yes, sir.
Sirish, are you there?
Sir,
I am having a reference inverter with dimension of NMOS as 10 and PMOS as 20. In order to have, of course, this is made such that okay, TR is equal to TP. Rise time is equal to, sorry, not TP, TF, fault time. In order to have similar rise time, fault time in this NAND gate also, the dimensions of the transistor over here at the worst case is 20, 20, 20, 20. Am I correct? Hello. The
yes, sir. Yes,
worst
sir.
case rise time and fall times will be same as that of this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In which case you will get the best rise time or fall time? Will there be any best rise time or best fall time? Are there any best and worst rise and fall times for this 2 input NAND gate with these dimensions? Artha ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Is it like okay, Greek and Latin what I'm talking about?
ನೋ ಸರ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. In which, no, are there any possibility of having
ಸರ್
best
ನೋ
and
ಸರ್.
worst rise time fall time for this particular circuit? What do you mean by best and worst rise time fall times? Depending on the input combination, because you can see you are getting, these are all static outputs. Before it reaches 1, assume that A and B both are going like this. This is 1 0. In the other case, A is equal to 1, B is equal to going like this. If both A and B are tied like this, will you have what will be the condition here? In which case the rise time is more? In which case rise time is more, man. Here both are tied to same input and both are coming down simultaneously. Here one is A is always 1, B is going from 1 to 0. In which case rise time is better or less?
Rise time is better in AB, that first one.
Why?
Because AB simultaneously 1 1.
Okay.
They discharge. Here A is.
No. You are talking
A
about
is
charging. You are talking about rise time. In case of rise time, what is the question of discharge?
rise time. Oh, yes, sir.
Rise time, which is better?
Well, there is no better, because once A or B once becomes 0.
It will have the best ilva. There are no best. In this case, output is becoming high here. So, is there no best rise time? Now we are finding that difficulty of sitting back at home and then not having that physical interaction. Are you all? See here. See, when this is off, the capacitor which is there here has to charge only through this. You have a capacitance CL and there is a path which is RP. Okay, let us take it as 2 RP. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me take it as, because here this is RPU, this is RPD. So, shall I write it as RP? This is RPD by 2. This is RPD by 2. In the worst case, can you see this is the time that is taken? Only one MOSFET is on. So, it is RP. Suppose if both are on, what are the resistance? If both are on, what are the resistance? RP by 2 alone, because both the resistors will come in parallel, RP by 2. So, if the resistance is least, does the time is very less compared to the previous one? Hello?
Sir, camera adjustment, okay.
Now, in this case, if both are turned on simultaneously, does the charging time less compared to only one on?
Yes, sir, less.
So, now the TR is lesser compared to TR of this. If I say this is 1, this is 2, then this is 1 is lesser than 2. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, here we have best and worst rise times. How about fall time?
Fall time, if
it will be same,
is
sir.
always 1. Same, sir.
No, it will be same in terms of resistances, but as we saw just before, if this is on initially, if this goes high, then this has got a better fall time compared to this is what we saw now here. Can we see this is high to low transition? High to low transition is better when it will be better. This is already on. If this is already on, will it not discharge? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this would have discharged earlier. You can see, of course, even though the resistance wise, you can see it is Rp by 2 plus Rn by 2 plus Rn by 2, it will going to add up. It will be Rn only. But looking at this internal node capacitances, turning on this and then making this transition will have lesser time compared to the other case.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here there are too many things are there. One is you are talking about Rp. Sorry, that is RPD, pull down resistance. RPD is same here. Effective RPD is this plus this. Whereas here, what is RP pull up? It is only this, or combination of this. Parallel combination of this one. Correct?
Sir. Yes, sir.
In this case, do you have different rise time, fall times? What will be different? What is this circuit? Now, what will be effective RPDs? What will be effective RPD? Does RPD can have different values? If I say this is Rn, if I say this is Rn, this is Rp
Rn
by
by
2, this is Rp by 2.
RP by
What are the possible values of RPD and RPU? RPD stands for pull down, RPU stands for pull up.
RPD only. Yes, sir. RPD has only one.
Correct, these are the 4 possible combinations.
Yes, sir.
If it is 0, 0, what is this? What is this?
Rn by.
Is it infinite?
Yes.
Because both are off.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Rn, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now it is very simple. Is this fine? Why it is infinity, infinity, infinity?
Yes, sir.
Why?
No current is flowing, sir.
No
Because
path.
one of them is off. Because when this is one of the transistors is off, it is infinity plus Rp by 2, it is infinity. Infinity means it is open circuit. Correct? Okay, now,
Yes, sir.
okay, do you have different fault times now? Do you have different fault times? Fault time
Yes,
very
sir.
generally.
Sir. Yes, sir.
That is when both of them are on, it will discharge quickly because it will be Rn by 2. In these two cases, it is almost the same. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to this node capacitances, in which case the output will become high fast. Assume that this is 0, this is 1 0, or you make this 0, make this 1 0, in which case you'll get output faster.
First case, sir.
This one. Why?
No, no. Second one, sir. I mean, first B, A is equal to 0 and B.
Now let me say this as first one, second one. Now the question is, if this is the input combination, this is 0 and then 1 to 0. Otherwise, A is already made 0, B is 1 to 0. In which case, you will get output voltage, because you know that ultimately the output will become correct. Is your output?
Yes, sir.
So, in which case it takes lesser time.
Sir, in first case, sir.
Why?
Sir, because in B already charged it, sir.
No, if B is on, because when it is 0 it is on, the node capacitance which is internally sitting here will be get charged earlier itself. Whenever this becomes on, only this capacitor has to be charged. Only this
Yes, sir.
output capacitor is charged. But whereas in this case, if it is on, this is still off. When this becomes on, first it has to fill this and then it has to fill this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, if A is a critical input, you have to place it close to the output node. So, in this case, this one combination will have lesser low to high transition compared to this case. Of course, in both the cases, output will go high. Of course, if you can see here, it is RP only. But the thing is, which node capacitances will be get charged because of what matters a lot when you are going very close to the rise time and fall time calculations. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way, the analysis of the rise time fall times are very critical. The model of the entire class is, whichever is critical input, you have to place it close to the output node, so that the output capacitance, whatever load capacitance you have, so only that need to be discharged. The rest all node capacitances have to be discharged earlier for high to low transition. For low to high transition, all the intermediate nodes on the pull-up network have to be charged before the load capacitances get the charge from your VDD. So before this charge, so you need to charge all these intermediate nodes. Whereas in this case, all the internal node capacitances have to be discharged before you discharge the load capacitors. Okay.